Welcome to another edition of TRC Power Spotlight. Before we begin with this exciting product, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and please comment and like the video. Now we have a tremendous modular power supply on this TRC Power Spotlight. I'm introducing to you the VCCM600. This was the market's first conduction cooled modular power supply, and it's designed and manufactured by our manufacturing partner, Vox Power. The VCCM600 Medical and Industrial series, which comes in two different versions, delivers a silent 600 watts conduction cooled and up to 750 watts of peak power for 5 seconds. It comes in a rugged 4x7 by 1.61 inch package. Now, depending on your application, the VCCM600 can be configured as a conduction, convection, or forced air cooled solution. This flexibility allows the unit to be seamlessly integrated across a vast range of applications, making it perfect for standardizing your power platform. This unique design approach and heat dissipation techniques allow the unit to be mounted in virtually any orientation, giving system designers even more flexibility. The AC input range of this power supply is 85 to 264 volts AC. It converts up to 4 isolated outputs, so there's 4 output slots, and each of them has 150 watts per channel. Now, there are 4 output modules that you can select from to populate these 4 slots, and they all have a very wide output voltage adjustment range. They also have voltage and current that can be dynamically controlled, which means that you can program them yourself. There's also a 5 volt at 1 amp bias output that's available, and the standby power is less than or equal to 1 watt. Let's discuss the operating temperature range here for this power supply. Now, the operating temperature range is -40 to +70 degrees Celsius, and derating occurs at ambient temperatures at +50 degrees up to 70 degrees Celsius. Now let's take a look at the 3 different derating curves for this power supply. First, the conduction illustrates both the ambient operating temperature range as well as the temperature range of the base plate for this power supply. Next, we see the derating curve for forced air cooling. Now, depending on the speed of airflow, which can vary in your system, derating begins at different ambient temperatures. Finally, we look at the derating curve for when we operate this with convection cooling. Now, this curve shows the derating that is improved if you are attaching an optional heatsink that's available from TRC Electronics. Also note that depending on which output module you're populating the power supply with, this derating can vary a little bit. Now, final assembly of these configurable power supplies is completed right here at TRC Electronics. Our power supply specialists will configure a correct model for you and your application. Then the next day, our modular configuration team will complete the final assembly and ship the next business day. Let's take a look at the safety and compliance certifications for this power supply. Now, the VCCM600S is the IT version, and it's certified to UL 6238-1. The VCCM600M is the medical version, and it's medically certified to IEC 60601-1, and it's 2 times MOPP, ensuring patient protection. This series also complies to MIL standards for military applications and is SEMI F47 compliant for semiconductor equipment. Finally, this power supply is a high quality and reliable power supply. It's supported with a Vox Power 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Now, if you're interested in this product and you want some assistance with configuring the perfect model for your application, just call our office, 1-888-612-9514, and within a matter of minutes, we'll get you the correct model number configured, and then we can assemble and ship you a prototype the very next day. Don't forget to like the video, put your comments in the comments section and subscribe to our channel. And we look forward to seeing you on the next edition of the TRC Power Spotlight.